Hello, everyone. Thank you for all of your support. Jamie and I are here to share our exciting news. We wanted you to be able to see both of our faces, and since we are not in the same cities, this is what you get, our split screen. We're also going to do the Wheel of Names, and you'll be able to see who wins the prizes. But first of all, we'd like to share that we made $24,120 towards programming for 2022. So
Woo-hoo!
bravo. Thank you, Banyan community. Those funds are dearly needed, and we will be sharing in our annual report coming out at the end of December what our vision is as we cast our vision for 2022, as we grow as a organization and align even deeper with our mission, vision, and values. And we just want to say thank you for taking this journey with us. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for reposting and sharing, and just thank you for showing up for yourself and for community. So kudos to everyone. Thank you.
Thank
Jamie,
you
do
so
you have
much.
anything to share?
I just feel
Tired?
really proud. Yeah, tired. Feel proud of the community that we're building, and I'm very excited for 2022 and what we can do to get into the communities more. So
Correct.
excited.
And she's spot on with that, is what we've achieved as our little two-person team, our amazing practitioners, and our even more amazing community. What we've achieved launching during a pandemic, making it through to what seems like the other side, and starting to rebuild deeper roots. It's all because we all come together and support each other. So you are all actively a part of that, and you should be proud of yourself, whether you're here in the Bay Area, in Canada, or on the other side of the world.
In
You're a part of
Lincoln.
this. Yeah, or Lincoln, or Fair Oaks. Okay, let's do the Wheel of Names and see who has won. We have a couple of different prizes that are up for grabs. As you can see, we got lots of names here. We're going
I'm
to,
not seeing it.
huh?
I'm not seeing the screen.
Oh, you're not seeing the screen?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Boom. Now, as you can see, we have lots of names here. So we're going to do our first prize, which is Bonjour Belly's spice set. So let's click to spin. Oops.
There were so many requests for this spice set during Chantal's last class. So
Woo!
nice. Congratulations, Andrea.
Congratulations. All right. Now, the second spice set. Here we go. And a Peggy Lee!
Congratulations, Peggy.
All right. Now we have a collection of wellness books, because reading is fundamental. And Caillou. Congratulations. All right. And now we have a face care package from Free Flow Botanicals. Hey, Michelle.
Oh, congratulations, Michelle.
And now we have one of our very hard to get, really cute Banyan totes. There's only a few of us that have this. Sylvia Chan.
Congratulations. Part of the tote club.
Mm-hmm. Totes. Totes for sure. All right, let's see. We have Trader Joe's shopping gift card. And the winner is Jamie Williams Peterson.
Jamie, you spell your name with 2 I's. Very
I never
interesting.
knew there were so many ways to spell Jamie until
No.
like last couple
Nobody
years.
ever spells my name
Nope.
right.
All right, another Trader Joe's gift card. Hey, we have Nancy.
Nancy! Congratulations.
Wonderful. Congratulations to everyone. So, if you are in the Bay Area and I see some familiar names here, if you are coming to one of our events and you want to pick it up, you can let us know if you want it shipped. Everyone, though, reach out to info@banyanwomen.org to claim your prizes. If for some reason you don't want your prize, then we will hold your prize for future events. And to those that did not win this round, we have other things coming up. We have our year-end survey coming up, and we are going to run some raffle with that. And once again, surveys are like oxygen to an organization. So please make sure to it'll take less than 5 minutes, we promise. Fill it out, share your experiences. That is another form of currency for us, and we rely on it for us to understand if we're meeting our goals, we're meeting your needs, to get feedback, to get praise. So please look out for that. That will be out next week. And we're just, once again, very grateful for everyone. So please have a great holiday season. Make sure to sign up for the last part of the classes for 2021. Start looking at the calendar for 2022. And just please take care of each other. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.